Hello, my name is Diana and today I want to show you my project. It's called a comprehensive investigation into bilingualism and its impact on cognitive abilities. Bilingualism, the ability to speak and understand two or more languages, has been a subject of considerable interest and research in the field of linguistics, psychology, and cognitive science. It is widely acknowledged that bilingualism is not only a linguistic phenomenon but also a cognitive one, influencing various aspects of human cognition. Previous research has shed light on the potential cognitive benefits of bilingualism, such as enhanced problem-solving skills, better executive function, and delayed cognitive decline in aging. However, there is still much to explore and understand about the precise mechanisms and the extent of these effects. This study aims to contribute to the existing body of research by providing a comprehensive examination of bilingualism and its impact on cognitive abilities. Factors such as age of acquisition and language proficiency play significant roles in shaping the impact of bilingualism on cognitive abilities. The age at which individuals acquire a second language has a substantial effect on cognitive abilities. The critical period hypothesis suggests that there is an optimal period for bilingual language acquisition, typically during childhood. Studies have shown that individuals who acquire a second language earlier in life tend to demonstrate more robust cognitive advantages compared to those who acquire a second language later in life. Early bilinguals often exhibit enhanced executive control, cognitive flexibility, and better overall attentional abilities. The level of proficiency in each language also influences the impact of bilingualism on cognitive abilities. Proficiency can be measured in various ways, including vocabulary size, grammatical accuracy, and language fluency. Greater proficiency in both languages is associated with more significant cognitive advantages. Highly proficient bilingual individuals have been found to excel in tasks that require cognitive control, attentional switching, and inhibitory control. Additionally, higher proficiency in each language leads to greater cognitive flexibility and better problem-solving skills. It is important to note that the effects of both age of acquisition and language proficiency on cognitive abilities are complex and can interact with each other, and additionally, individual differences such as cognitive reserve or previous language learning experiences may also impact the relationship between these factors and bilingualism. Now I want to talk a little bit about research questions, goals, and objectives. The research question is: to what extent does bilingualism affect cognitive abilities, and what are the underlying cognitive mechanisms involved? And goals and objectives are to examine the relationship between bilingualism and cognitive skills, including executive function, memory, and problem solving. Then to investigate the impact of age of acquisition, language proficiency, and language use patterns on cognitive outcomes. Third, to identify potential differences in cognitive effects between early and late bilinguals, and then to explore the neurological basis of bilingualism's influence on cognitive abilities. Then I want to identify object and subject of the study. The object is bilingual individuals, encompassing a diverse group of language combinations, language proficiency levels, and age of acquisition. And the subject is cognitive abilities with a focus on executive function, memory, and problem solving. And data will be collected through a combination of surveys, neuropsychological tests, and neuroimaging techniques. Participants will be assessed in language proficiency, language use patterns, and cognitive abilities. Material processing method. So quantitative data collected from surveys and cognitive tests will be statistically analyzed to demonstrate correlations between bilingualism variables and cognitive outcomes. Neuroimaging data will be processed and analyzed to identify neural markers of bilingual cognitive advantages. And the preliminary results of this study. Preliminary findings indicate that bilingual individuals, particularly those who acquired their second language early in life and use it regularly, tend to exhibit enhanced executive function skills such as better multitasking and cognitive control. Memory tests also reveals potential advantages in verbal memory and cognitive flexibility. These findings support the idea of bilingualism has a positive impact on cognitive abilities. Neuroimaging data suggests that these cognitive advantages may be associated with increased neural connectivity in areas related to language and cognitive control. And research suggests that bilingualism is associated with specific cognitive advantages. Here are some of the cognitive benefits that have been observed in bilingual individuals. There are 5 of them. The first is enhanced executive functioning. Bilingualism has been linked to improved executive function, which involve the ability to plan, switch between tasks, maintain attention, and inhibit irrelevant information. Bilinguals often demonstrate better cognitive flexibility and conflict resolution skills compared to monolinguals. The second is heightened attentional control. So bilingual individuals tend to display enhanced attentional control, which enables them to selectively focus on relevant information and inhibit distractions. This heightened attentional control can lead to improved concentration and better performance in tasks that require sustained attention. Third is increased cognitive reserve. Bilinguals has been associated with an increased cognitive reserve, which refers to the brain's ability to cope with neurological changes and age-related cognitive decline. Bilinguals may experience the onset of cognitive impairments such as dementia later in life due to the cognitive benefits and neural adaptations associated with bilingualism. The fourth is improved metalinguistic awareness. Bilingual individuals often developed a heightened awareness of language structure, grammar, and semantic relationships. This metalinguistic awareness can contribute to better language learning skills, problem-solving abilities, and overall linguistic proficiency. And the last, but not the least, enhanced learning and memory. Bilingualism has been linked to improved learning and memory processes. The need to constantly switch between languages and inhibit interference may contribute to improved memory retrieval and mnemonic strategies. It is worth noting that the extent and specificity of these advantages may vary depending on factors such as the degree of bilingual proficiency, age of acquisition, language use patterns, and social-cultural factors. Additionally, the cognitive advantages associated with bilinguals are not guaranteed for every bilingual individual and can vary from person to person. This research project aims to provide a deeper understanding of the cognitive benefits of bilingualism, which can have implications and for educational and cognitive interventions, and contribute to our understanding of the complex relationship between language and cognition. Further data collection and analysis will be conducted to refine and substantiate these preliminary results. Thank you for your attention.